Switzerland will revoke India's most favored nation status under their double taxation avoidance agreement, effective 1st January 2025. This move follows the Indian Supreme Court's 2023 ruling in a case involving Nestle, which Switzerland claims undermines the most favored nation clause. The most favored nation clause ensures equal or lower tax rates for treaty partners, aligning with those extended to other countries of the OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development. However, the Supreme Court ruled that the clause does not automatically apply when a country joins the OECD unless explicitly notified under Section 90 of the Income Tax Act. This ruling overturned Switzerland's expectation of a reduced 5% tax rate on dividends, restoring the treaty's original 10% rate. Switzerland's decision will increase tax liabilities for Indian businesses operating in Switzerland and Swiss investors in India. Dividends paid by Indian entities will now face a 10% withholding tax, up from 5%. Swiss residents claiming foreign tax credits will also be affected. Tax experts view this as a significant shift in bilateral relations affecting Indian entities in Switzerland, Swiss investments in India, and Indian companies having Swiss subsidiaries.